I'm April Ryan. I'm a NES practitioner from Tulsa, Oklahoma. So before I started using the NES Bioenergetics system, I had suffered from dental abscesses. I had infection trapped in my jaw for 20 years that I didn't know about. I found a holistic dentist that helped me clean it up and get over it, but my immune system was shot. And as I began to use the NES system, it was supportive of my body to the point where I'm now much better able to fight off sinus infections or common colds. Also, like a lot of people, I had some trauma in my childhood and I had a really painful first marriage. And I did everything that I knew to do to heal from that. I did a lot of talk therapy, but it wasn't enough to offload the negative emotions that seemed to be trapped inside my heart. So as I use the My Health and the Infoceuticals personally, I'm finding myself a lot calmer in everyday situations. I have less stress, I have less anxiety, and my responses to current situations are limited to current situations. All the past triggers and past trauma don't manifest themselves now on a daily basis. I think that's something really unique to NES, is that there's a meditation based on my scan that's personalized just for me, that addresses the issues my subconscious is willing to process at this time. I wholeheartedly recommend NES to anyone who's interested in better physical and emotional health. The results are outstanding. You'll be so amazed by what your own body wants to tell you. Finally, we have a way to listen.